Brendan is the nicest kid you could ever imagine. He absolutely is obsessed with Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom. Not just Jurassic Park, but Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom. And he actually built a board game to do with this. Then we started learning Tinkercad and we found these dinosaur pieces. It was nice because Tinkercad did the design part for it, and then he actually put them together and was able to create a 3D model of this Indoraptor. So he kept calling me over, Mr. Eve, do you like this? Check this out. And then I was able to meet with John Helfen, who works for Autodesk, and he's the one who kind of introduced Tinkercad to me.
I think it's fantastic. It's funny because when I was in school, I was a lot like some of these kids who attached to Tinkercad. I didn't enjoy education as much. I loved learning, but I wanted to learn the way I wanted to learn and the things I wanted to learn. And when I was in school and I found CAD, to me it was like being able to do a puzzle all the time.
I know he had 3D printers at his home, so it just seemed like Brendan was, again, really feeling his design, and we were able to make that come true through a surprise. Do you really wish you could do?
Print it out and make it in a little action figure.
So if we were able to print it, you would be a happy guy.
Yeah.
What if I told you I 3D printed it for you?
You did?
Look at it.
Awesome! Thank you. Thank you so much.
That's what you made.
Thank you so much for printing it. You're the best. It was incredible to me that you can see your own design freshly printed into the real world. And I think every kid should deserve that chance.
I saw the joy Brendan got out of this, and of course, middle school, there was a little bit of jealousy. We saw this print, and then everyone else said, well, I really want to print. It sort of sparked this, like, we really want a 3D printer because we have all these great ideas.
With a 3D printer, things come to life, for real. Once you create it, and once it's printed, it's like you know it's just the thing for you.
I see that spark in them. They've got that interest and they want more. A 3D print can change somebody's future, really.